In a world where food and feed manufacturers face increasing challenges, innovation is no longer optional, it's essential. Maxx Performance empowers producers worldwide to get the most out of their ingredients using advanced microencapsulation technology that is reshaping the industry.
So Maxx Performance is an innovative family-owned business whose core goal is to help raw ingredients realize their full potential. We're a family-owned business that's located here in Virginia that uses this technology to improve stability, to drive innovation, to drive bioavailability, and allow controlled release. I left corporate America to start Maxx Performance for one big reason, and that is faster decision making. Because within corporate America, decision makings were always very, very slow. The second reason why I did this in terms of leaving corporate America to start Maxx Performance is driving innovation and to also allow better focus on the customer. That is, how do you be a part of the R&D within a customer base? Those are the major reasons why we did this. So what it is here is the ability to deliver a smaller amount of active ingredient to the site of absorption or to the site where that nutrient is released. This means that if you look at traditional ingredients, they do not have the capability to do that. You're actually feeding more with the hope that something will happen someplace. Here, you're actually feeding less in order to get more. That's the biggest difference. What we do is that we're able to utilize our technology to microencapsulate individual particles, not a glob per se, as others do. So because we're able to microencapsulate an individual particle, that particle now is surrounded and it remains intact until it releases in the lower gut, which is where the animal can best utilize it for nutritive ability. How does our relationship with universities, our ability to partner with them, to collaborate with them in terms of testing what we do, and then be able to send that out in the marketplace. That's a core feature of what we do, which is one of the reasons why Maxx was founded, to ensure that there's a strong collaborative effort between us and universities. For example, what we're doing at Virginia Tech and elsewhere is an example of that, which demonstrate our ability to utilize copper, by being able to feed less and to get more. It's better for the environment, you see, and in other words, it drives sustainability. While by doing that, the animal is able to better utilize its nutrient for what it does best in terms of increasing absorptive capacity. You see, and likewise, if you go up and down the chain, this is what we do. We have to ensure that the university validate the studies, right? And we take it to the marketplace, which results in a 33% increase in feed efficiency and a 6% increase in feed conversion. That is significant, and this is something that we will continue to do. So how will precision delivery reshape animal nutrition over the next decade? It's very significant. It holds a key. We know within the pharmaceutical industry that's already happening on the human side. Now we have to transfer that technology on the animal side. Maxx Performance does that by using our proven control release technology to deliver precise nutrients into the lower gut of the animals. How do we do that? By allowing control release over time. If you don't do that, it means that you will have to be using more. Here we're talking about using less and doing it more efficiently.